Hey there, cosmic explorers! Welcome back. Today we're embarking on an epic journey through space to unravel the mysteries of our cosmic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Join me as we venture beyond the stars and dive into the fascinating world of this colossal spiral galaxy. Let's blast off! First things first, let's meet the star of our cosmic adventure, the Andromeda Galaxy. Located a staggering 2.537 million light-years away from Earth, Andromeda is the closest spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way. Spanning over 220,000 light-years in diameter, it's home to billions of stars, nebulae, and cosmic wonders. Now, what makes the Andromeda Galaxy so fascinating? It's all in its structure. Andromeda boasts striking spiral arms filled with young, hot stars, along with a central bulge of older stars and a massive, supermassive black hole at its core. Its beauty and complexity mesmerize astronomers and stargazers alike. But here's where it gets really intriguing. Andromeda and our Milky Way are on a collision course. In about 4.5 billion years, these two galaxies will collide and merge into a single, larger galaxy. Don't worry though, it's not expected to happen anytime soon, so there's no need to pack your bags just yet. Andromeda isn't alone in the cosmic sea. It's surrounded by a retinue of satellite galaxies, including M32 and M110, which orbit around it like moons around a planet. These smaller galaxies add to the cosmic tapestry of Andromeda's neighborhood. As we gaze into the future, we're left pondering what lies ahead for Andromeda. Will it continue to spiral through the cosmos, evolving and changing over billions of years? Only time will tell, but one thing's for certain: Andromeda will remain a celestial marvel for generations to come. And there you have it, the breathtaking beauty and cosmic intrigue of the Andromeda Galaxy. If you found this journey through space captivating, hit the like button, subscribe for more cosmic adventures, and share your thoughts on Andromeda in the comments below. Until our next cosmic escapade, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming of the wonders that await us beyond the cosmos.